Greek Safro. Today I would like to teach about Melso Hesusto. That means passive voice of verb. Passive voice. The passive voice is commonly known as yet file. We know that every verb is divided into 10 groups. Today I would like the first group of the verb. The model verb of the first group is kital. The passive form of the kital is yet kital. You know that every verb is started from third person to first person. Es kital. Note the spelling, all of tav, and tav have no vowel. Third letter kof have no vowel. Fourth letter tet have a vowel. Ending form of the lomad. This is the third person masculine singular. The et is the common form of passive verb. Et have, the tav have two pronunciation, say or t. You may pronounce et or s. Next one is yet katilas. Yet is the common. Third letter is kof have a vowel. Fourth letter tet have no vowel. And next letter is lomad have a vowel. Last letter is ending form of tav. This one is the third person feminine singular. Next one et kitat. Et is the common form. Third letter kof have no vowel. Next letter tet have a vowel. And last letter is tav. This one is second person masculine singular. And next form is et kitalt. These forms are same, but here we can see that yud is added. Yud indicate that the second person feminine form. And last one yet katiles. Et is the common form and kof have a vowel. The next letter is tet have no vowel. Next letter is lomad have a vowel. Last letter tav. This is the first person common. Next is the plural form of this form. Yet kithelun. Yet is the common form. Kof have no vowel and tet have a vowel. Next letter is lomad have u vowel, vav and ending form of the noun. Next, the third person masculine plural. And next is et kithale. Third person feminine plural. Et is the common form. Kof have no vowel and tet have a vowel. Lomad have a vowel, yud and ending form of the noun. Next one yet kithaltu. Et is common form of passive voice and kof have no vowel, tet have a vowel, lomad have no vowel. The next letter is connected tav have u vowel. Next letter is vav and ending form of the noun. This one is the second person masculine plural. And next one is et kithalte. Et is the common form of passive voice and kof have no vowel and tet have a vowel. Next letter is lomad have no vowel. Next letter is connecting tav have a vowel and yud and ending form of noun. This one is second person feminine plural. And last one is yet Katalnan. Yet indicate that the passive form of the verb, and Kof have no vowel. Tet have a vowel. Next letter is Lomer. Lomer have no vowel. Next letter is Noon. Noon have a vowel. Ending form of noon, and first person common plural. This is the form of first class of the verb. We will go to the second group of verb. Modal verb is second group is crow. The passive voice is crow is yetkri, means was killed, was called, was called. You know that the eth is the common form of passive voice. The passive voice can be derived by adding eth in the beginning of the verb. First form yetkri, yetkarias, eskrit, eskrit, eskrit. Note the spelling. Eth is the common form and Kof have no vowel. Reach have e vowel, then added youth. That means the person masculine singular, he was called. And next is eth is the common form and third letter is Kof. Kof have no vowel, and reach have a vowel. Next letter is youth. Youth have no vowel, and ending form of tav. That one third person feminine singular, she was called. And next is yetkri. Yet have common form, Kof have no vowel, reach have e vowel, youth and tav. This one is second person masculine singular. And next one, eth have common form, eth is a common form, Kof have no vowel, reach have e vowel. Next letter is youth. Youth have no vowel. Next one connecting tav and ending youth. Youth is indicated that the feminine form of the verb. Second person feminine singular. Last one is yetkri. Yetkri. Yet is the common form of passive voice. Kof have no vowel. Reach have e vowel. Next letter is youth. Youth have no vowel and connecting. This is the first person common singular. Then we will go to the plural form. Eskriyun. Eskriyun. Next one. Eskriyin. Escrito, escrite, escrina. Eth is the common form of the passive voice. Kof have no vowel. Here the reach have e vowel. Then one youth is added. Next letter is va. Va have u vowel and ending form of the noun. This one is the third person masculine plural. They were called. And next is eth have common form, and this is the feminine form of feminine plural form. Eth is the common form. And Kof have no vowel, reach have e vowel. Two letters are youth. Youth have a vowel, ending form of noun. Third person feminine plural. And next one is second person masculine plural. Eth is the common form and Kof have no vowel, reach have e vowel. Next letter is youth. Youth have no vowel, and tav have u vowel. Next letter is vav and noon. This one is second person masculine plural. And next is the feminine form. Eth is the common form and next letter is Kof. Kof have no vowel and reach have e vowel. Next one, next letter is youth. Youth have no vowel, and connecting tav. Tav have a vowel. Next letter is youth. Youth have no vowel, and ending form of noon. This one is second person feminine plural. And last one is first person common plural. Eth is the common form of passive voice. And next letter is cough. Cough have no vowel, and reach have e vowel. Next letter is youth, and youth have no vowel, and next letter is noon. Noon have a vowel, and next one ending form of noon. First person common singular. Here we can see that the masculine plural is ended in vav and noon, and feminine plural ended in youth and noon. This is the class of passive voice.